Today, my kids and I are going to be making this nice and easy gingerbread house. These simple to follow directions should suffice, and this should take about an hour. This only cost me $20. Step 1. Pour out the material and realize that is not a lot of candy. Step 2. Buy more candy. Open all of the candy bags and realize that you should leave them open for the entire afternoon. Step 3. Let the kids do it. Until they realize you need a degree in civil engineering, the manual dexterity of a Renaissance painter, and the patience of a mall Santa. Step 4. Do it yourself. Realize that the sides are not meant to match at a 90-degree angle. Realize that the base markers are not meant to actually mark where the house is supposed to go. Allow the icing to dry for 15 minutes, or an hour, or 2 hours. Step 5. Realize you live in the Pacific Northwest and that will not dry until June. Put it in the oven at 220 degrees for 30 minutes in the hopes that it'll finally dry.
Are we done yet, Dad?
Step 6. Add the roof. Use glasses to support the roof because it's not going to support itself. Step 7. Realize the candy supplies are getting kind of low. Buy more candy. Step 9. Cap. Step 10. Enjoy.